Well, we are tracking the next snowfall, next two snowfalls actually. The first one really kicks in earnest late Thursday with lighter snow between now and then another snowfall comes in late Saturday into early Sunday. So here's a look at snowfall totals through the Wednesday morning with this first round of snow that really developed across northwestern Minnesota. Anywhere from 2 to as much as 4 or 5 inches of snow fell for many areas in the northwestern part of the state where they had that winter weather advisory. And this is just sort of the first broader area of snow. And those snow showers are already spreading east. But anything we see due to the daytime temperatures above freezing and the light nature of the snow means that we'll see under probably a ½ inch, but a couple of pockets of maybe 1 or 2 inches of snow still in the northwestern parts of the state. And then the main event really develops tomorrow. So winter storm watch in effect Thursday afternoon into early Friday morning. It's going to be a quick shot of about a 12-hour period of snow. And then that's really going to be it. But it is going to dump some significant snowfall for parts of southern Minnesota. A lot of snow, and this is just the very beginning of an atmospheric river pummeling California. But the snow that they're getting in the mountains there, this is the same disturbance that's headed our way for tomorrow. It's going to energize, really boost the system as it moves into Minnesota. So this is simulated satellite imagery from the European model showing that wave, that moisture really filling in here because that wave is going to be moving quickly across the Rockies. What's in California today is going to move over the Rockies through the night tonight, and then by tomorrow, as the wave digs in here, it's going to push up moisture out ahead of it, and that's going to give us that quick burst of some heavier snow. So snow showers today, lighter in nature and scattered, so this time of year during the day, it's hard to get that to amount to very much, but then watch as that upper level wave really fills in the moisture. So the evening commute Thursday will have snow falling, but again, the road's probably just wet or slushy with the mild temperatures. Early Friday, though, with the freshly fallen snow might be a little different. And the models all agree on putting the heaviest of the snow to our southeast. So the Twin Cities is going to be on the northern edge of any real significant snowfall accumulation. And there's going to be probably a pretty wide range of totals from the northern and south metro, and then especially to southeastern Minnesota. The bullseye really looks to be the southeasternmost counties of Minnesota into eastern Iowa and then southern Wisconsin all the way to Milwaukee. That's where we're looking at that probably 6 to 10 inch swath of heavy wet snow developing. Most likely scenario for the Twin Cities, I think close to 4 inches for most of the metro. You get into southeastern Minnesota, that's where we're looking at 5, 6, 7 inch amounts, and then much higher as we head into Wisconsin and eastern Iowa. So it's better with a snowfall like this to really give ranges. So on the low end, we're talking probably 2 to 3 inches. Higher end, 5 inches probably. It really is the high end here. We're talking about that 10% chance of 5 inches or more, but most totals in the metro are going to come in probably right in that 3 to 4 inch range. So not a big storm, but this is just enough to put us in the top 10 after tomorrow's snowfall. And then we've got another snowfall coming in here late Saturday into Sunday. Not a big storm, but a wide swath of accumulating snow late Saturday into early Sunday morning. And it does look like it's going to amount to at least a few inches of snow here in southern Minnesota. Generally, you can see the models all painting the higher amounts into west central and northwestern Minnesota. That's where we could see over a ½ foot. So this will be more of a significant snowfall in the northern and northwestern parts of the state. I think probably 2 to 4, the way it looks like right now for the Twin Cities out of that. And if you're sick of the snow, you don't really care. Anything more than a trace at this point is probably getting to be a little annoying. But, you know, every day we're above freezing at least, so it melts more quickly, especially on those paved surfaces at least. And those temperatures really don't move much. The reason that we are actually looking at below normal temperatures when you look at extended forecasts is because our temperatures are staying the same while the normal high keeps ticking up a degree every couple of days. So by next week, that high of 37 on Tuesday will be several degrees below normal. The normal high will be about 41 by then.